Today's video is eggplant in the air fryer. That's specially for eggplant lovers. It's very delicious, nutritious, gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian, and healthy. It's a very easy, quick recipe. Stay with me and you will see step by step how I did the eggplant in the air fryer. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will cook some eggplant in the air fryer. That's my eggplant. I cleaned it good. I cut both ends. Now I will slice it into cubes. Then I will cook it in the air fryer. Okay, try this knife. Slice it first. Then cut it into cubes like that. That's it. Same way for the rest of the eggplant. Cubes again. Okay, put this here. Same thing for this second one. It's a really easy recipe and at the same time healthy, delicious, nutritious. Okay. I will finish all the eggplant, then come back. Okay, I cut two of them. I think I will start with the first two ones in the air fryer. For the seasoning, I will put the olive oil first here. A good quantity of olive oil. Then some salt. Not a lot. Some black pepper to taste. And some garlic powder. If you like it spicy, you can add some chili powder or some cayenne pepper. I have some chili powder here. I will put a little bit here. That's it. Then I mix everything together very well. Be sure that you have a good quantity of olive oil. All the pieces are coated with oil and spices like that. Then we place it in the basket of the air fryer. It will not take long time, it's quick. Now I pour all my eggplant in the basket of the air fryer like that. Okay, we place the basket in the air fryer and we adjust the temperature now. I will start with 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Then I take the basket out and shake it. Then I add another 10 minutes. Start with the first 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I take it out and I will shake it. Then it looks that you will need more than 10 minutes. I will add another 15 minutes. 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Now this is chicken after 25 minutes exactly. Look how nice brown, crispy from the outside, and it's tender from the inside. I will plate it and come back with you. And that was my eggplant after I cooked it in the air fryer for 25 minutes. It's brown, crispy and nice from the outside, tender and soft from the inside. I just taste the piece, is very delicious. Really good recipe. Also, you can store it in containers, freezer containers, and freeze it for whenever you like it, you want it. You take it out the freezer and you warm it that day. It stays good. This idea can be very helpful for working people to eat healthy. You can do like these recipes in the weekend and freeze it, and in the weekdays you can add a piece of protein, fish or chicken, and your dinner is ready. Let me know in the comments how did you like this recipe. See you next time in a new video, and enjoy.